So, good evening to all. We have assembled here for the 7-day online workshop on Python programming organized by Sri Vidyodhya College of Education, Virupuram, Akamon Foundation and Seva Academy. So, we welcome our resource person, Sangeeta ma'am, to the session. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, today the session is yours. Please start the program, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. One second, ma'am. I'll share the screen.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Is my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And today, yesterday, we have completed for data structures. The concept, what we have seen, or list, tuple, set, and dictionary. And today we go on with conditions. Okay, fine. Okay. The first program, what we are going to see is how to find the even or odd number in Python. Odd number Python. Okay, fine. Let's, for this program, I need only one input. So take a variable as number. Number is equal to, um, I'll give like 12. So I'm assigning the input inside the program itself. So now I need to go for the condition. So if, so what is the logic of to find the even or odd? If a number divisible by 2, which is equal to 0, then that number is considered as even number. If the number is not divisible by 2, then that is known as odd number. So we apply the condition here. So if number, here we should focus on the remainder, the number which is divisible by 2, and it should be equal to 0. Your remainder has to be 0. If your remainder is, if you are getting 1 or any other than 0, if you are getting any other remainder, then that number is not a even number. I hope you understand. For example, I'll just put it here. So 12 divided by 2. What you will get the quotient is 6. Remainder is 0. 0. Suppose if you are putting 5 divided by 2, then 2 2s are 4. So you will get the remainder 1. So we are going to focus on this remainder. So we need to write condition according to that. Okay. So for getting the quotient, you need to use this division symbol. For getting the remainder, so you need to use this modulus symbol. Here the modulus symbol in Python is percentage. So you need to put here number percentage 2 equal to, I'm using the comparison operator. I'm comparing for it. So suppose if I'm giving 5 by 2, what is my answer? Remainder is 1. So remainder is 1. Here the answer will be 1. Imagine that the number is 5. 5 divisible by 2, your remainder answer is 1. So 1 is equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. So definitely it is going to be an odd number. Suppose imagine that your number is 12. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, you get the remainder as 0. For 12, you will get the remainder as 0. Okay, now this part will become 0. So your comparison operator will check on both sides. So if you are using the equal to operator, it will check for your LHS side as well as it will check for you the on the RHS side. So when the number divisible by 2, we say that number as even number. In Python, indentation is very important. In C program, we used to, in C, Java, we used to open this curly bracket and we used to close this curly bracket to complete the if program. But in Python, we will not use any brackets here. See, all the statement, it has to be ends with colon. This is very important. When you are keeping colon, see, can you see here? It is automatically allocating some space. So this is known as indentation. So here you can put print. You can say give the message like number is even. Okay. You can simply run this program. Just save this file first. I have created the folder in desktop. Yeah, here I'm going to give like program 2. Okay. So I'll save this file. Let me run this file. Can you see here? Is the output page is visible? Is it visible? Am I audible? Is this page is visible? Can you see the output?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible and
Okay.
we can see the output.
Okay. Okay. Fine. I go to this program page. Okay. So I'll put for one more if. Here again, I'm checking for the condition. If number modulus 2 is equal to 0, which is not equal to 0, you can put not equal to 0. You have to keep the colon here. Just enter, print. You can say number is odd. Is odd. Okay, again I'll save here. Okay, already this is 12. I tried to give 5. Actually, 5 is an odd number. Let me run this file. Can you see here? It is saying that the number is odd. See, I don't want to get the input at the inside the program itself. I want to get the input at my runtime. So what is the thing we need to do? You need to put input statement, and here you can give the message, enter the number. Okay, enter the number. here you need to convert because this input command will get your input only at string. So you need to convert the string into integer. So this step is known as casting. So conversion of one data type to another data type. So put int before the input statement. So this will convert the string input into integer. So that's it. Once again, save the program. So you are going to get the input at your runtime. Fine. It is asking for the number. I give for 7. It is saying the number is odd. It is correct. Okay. Once again, I run this program.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
This program
explain
perfectly
casting
works.
once again?
So the step,
Ma'am, 1 minute.
yeah.
One
Uh,
participant was asking something.
Can you explain the casting once again? Changing from one data form to other?
Sir, okay. Usually, for getting the input, we use the statement which is known as input command. So this is
Yeah.
your input command. Yeah, here you can, inside this input command, you can give any user defined message. Any message you can give it, because inside the double quotation, whatever you type, that will be printed as it is in the output page. So you can give any message. Just I'm giving enter number. Okay, so that's it. So here, whenever you use this input command, it always get your input only a string. You are thinking, for example, I will just wait a minute. I'll put a comment line, multi-line comment. Now I'll explain it. Okay, we will check what is the type of the number. I am getting the input, and it will be storing in this variable. Let me check what is the type of it. Print type of number. Okay, we are thinking it is going to get a number, but it is not going to get a number. If you are using only the input statement, it will get the input only in string. Let me run this and check it out. I am giving number 12. Okay, can you see here what is the type of this number? It is string. String means, for example, once again, I'll run this program. Can you see here? Only with the integer, you can find even or odd. If your data type is string, you can't do the program for even or odd. So now you want to convert this string into integer. That means into number. Okay. So for doing that, one simple step is just put int in front of the input statement, open the bracket and close the bracket. So that's it. So you save this program and go to the run command and run it. And now you give the number 12. Can you see here?
Yeah, got it, ma'am.
It was converted into integer. Yeah. Okay. I remove this multi-line command. Now this program perfectly works. Here I have used two if statement. So this program, I'm just giving the example for only if statement. So I run this program. So here you can give any number. I give for 10. So it is saying it is an integer. So the given number is even. And if you give the input as 9, it is saying the number is odd. And if you want, you can print the number by here itself. Instead of number is even, instead of number is odd. So you just call this variable here. Call this variable here and put one comma statement. That's it. And remove this number. Call the number. Call this variable and put one comma. Now again, I'll save this file and run this command. Can you see here? I just give for 12. So 12 is even. Okay. And once again, I'll run this. I give for 15. 15 is odd. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Fine. So this is one statement. And I just give multi-line comment here. Okay. Okay. So same program. So second, what we are going to see is if else. For that, I have taken one if condition. And here, I'm going to put for else part. If is a true part and else is a false part. Else, put one colon here and just print. Here, you no need to use for two if statement. So num is odd. Okay. Let me save this. I'll run this file. 22. 22 is even. Let me run this. Again, it is asking for input. I'm giving 11. 11 is odd. Can you understand if statement and if else statement? If the condition is true, so in if you are giving some condition, if the condition is true, it will enter into the if loop. If the condition is false, it will go to the else part. Is it clear? You can give the reply in the chat box also. Is it clear? Or else you can give any thumbs up. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, we go for next.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
One of the participant is asking to repeat that use of. Explain use of.
Use of which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, please check the chat box. Colon. Use of colon.
A colon you have to keep. This is a syntax. You can't change it. Whenever if you are using if condition, for loop, at the end you need to keep the colon. That is a syntax in Python. Any other doubts? If you are not keeping the colon, it will give you error. Let me run this program. Can you see here what it is saying? It is saying that colon is expected. Syntax in Python, you can't change it. You need to follow the syntax. In C, it will be like open curly brackets and close curly brackets. But in Python, you no need to use, this is a syntax. You have to put colon. Any other doubts? Fine. Okay, I'll take the new file for the another program. Here, I'm going to, now we have seen if statement. Second, we have seen if else statement. And third, we are going to see for what is a program? Let me show you. Program. Here we are going to do program to find greatest of three numbers.
We are not seeing anything.
It is the same. Okay,
screen is
I could
not-
understand.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, sir. I do it in the same page. I commented. So this is the program we are going to do now. Okay. Is it visible? I hope it is visible. Fine. Okay, we are going to find the biggest of three numbers. Okay. For that, we need three inputs. So I take one input as A. I do the casting int of input of, I'm just giving the message like enter A. Okay. Same, I'm going to take for B also. So B is equal to int of input of enter B. Okay. And I'm going to get the third input. C is equals to int of input of enter C. Okay. Fine. So now I am going to apply the condition. If I'm going to take the if statement, I need to compare these three numbers A, B, C. I'm going to get three inputs. One is on A, another one is on B, another one is on C. So I'm going to get three inputs. So this things just I keep here. Okay. So I'm saying when I will say A is bigger, the A should be greater than B as well as it should be greater than C. When A is greater than B and C, I say A is the bigger. The same logic I'm going to apply here. A should be greater than B, and is a statement you know about and. When you are using and, both the condition has to be true. So A greater than C. When A is greater than B as well as the A is greater than C, then only A is a greater one. Okay, always the if statement has to be ends with colon. Just click enter. If you are not giving colon, see what it happens. It will not allow for indentation. The cursor will be blinking at the beginning of the line. When you keep colon, it will give you the space for indentation. Indentation means space. It will allocate for indentation. Okay, this is must. You should not start here. Okay, you have to start here only. If you are starting at the beginning itself, it will show you error. Okay, and if you see when you are not giving colon, your cursor will be at the beginning. When you correctly give the colon and click on enter, your cursor will be allocated with indentation. Now put the message print. What I'm saying here, I'm saying A is greater. Okay, then I'm going to check B with A and C. Okay. B greater than A. When the B will be greater? The B must be greater than A as well as it must be greater than C. So I have to compare B with A and C. So I put B greater than C. Put colon and give the message print. So B is greater. Okay. As well as if C greater than A and C greater than B, put colon, print C is greater. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. Our program is completed. Just save this program and run it. So we give the first value is 10, second value is 20, and third value is 30. Now it is saying C is greater because 30 is the highest value. So now for C, the condition works perfectly. Again, we run here. So 11, 33, 22. So B is greater. It perfectly works for B also. As well as we run for A. The first number I will give like 100. Second number 99. And third number 88. Can you see here? For all the three conditions, it is working perfectly. So this is the program to find the biggest of three numbers. Is it clear? And if you want, you can replace the number here. If you want, you can replace the number here. For example, you can call the A value here, and here also you can call the B value, and here you can call the C value. Okay, just save it. You can save it. So you will get the number. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I go for next program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, we will check the person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, we need to get the input for age. Okay, we will see here. Check the person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, for this program, we required only one input. So we need to get the input for age. So I apply for input. I give the message inside that, enter age. Okay, and apply the if condition. If age, what is the criteria? In our government, the person who is above 18, equal to 18 and above 18 are eligible to vote. If the person is below 18, if the person is under below 18, they are not eligible to vote. So this is the criteria. So you have to put greater than equal to 18. See, greater than 18 means it will take from 19. If you are putting for equal to, it will consider the 18 also. So keep colon here and give the message like you are eligible to vote. Okay, and enter. I use else part. Okay, next I'll print. Sorry, you're not eligible to vote. You're not eligible to vote. So that's it. So that's all. Just save this file and run it. Unexpected intent. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, here also I have given unnecessary space. So now it is saying I'm giving the age is 17. So it is giving the message like, sorry, you're not eligible to vote. Once again, I'll run this program. So I give for 18. It is saying you are eligible to vote. Once again, I'll run this program. So I give the age like 65. It is saying you are eligible to vote. You are saying the age is 12. It is saying, sorry, you are not eligible to vote. Is it clear? This program is okay for you? Is this okay? Okay, so next we go for nested if. I hope you understand this program. And if you have any doubt, you can stop me then and there. I'll go for the next program. Here we are going to see for nested if. Nested if means a program have the multiple conditions. So for example, what we going to see in this, see for nested if or check alphabet or not. Check alphabet or not. Okay. So I'm going to get a character. So I'm saying C equal to input of, I got a character. One word is enough. So now I'm going to apply the put the condition. So if C greater than equal to A and C less than equal to Z. When we say we have 26 letters in an alphabet from A to Z. So I'm putting the condition from A to Z. Okay. If you are giving any letter between A to Z, it will say it is an alphabet. So print, open it and give it here /n. It is an alphabet. It is an alphabet. Okay. And here I apply for one more condition. So in the same program, I'm giving for another condition. So this is elif. Okay, here also I'm giving some condition. Suppose the user is giving a small lowercase, so this condition will satisfy. Suppose the user is giving the input in uppercase, I'm going to apply the condition here. C greater than equal to capital A and C less than equal to capital Z. Okay, put colon and just enter here. Print, open and close it. It is also an alphabet. it is an alphabet. And if these two condition is not satisfied, then it is going to for the else part. Else, I'm giving the message like print. I'm giving the message like it is not an alphabet. It is not an alphabet. Okay. So that's all. Just save the program. Here you can give enter letter. Just run this. I give T. It is saying it is an alphabet. Okay. If I take the slash n, it won't give you the new line. Slash n means it will leave for the new line. I'll save this file once again. If I give capital A, it is saying it is an alphabet. If I give other than alphabet, means if I give 12, it is saying that it is not an alphabet. Is it clear?
Slash n, you mentioned slash n. Can you explain once?
No. It will give you a new line. That's it. Can you see here? Here there is no line. Slash, if you are putting slash in, it will give you a new line. That's all.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
If you want, you can put slash in. If you don't want, you can remove it.
Okay, right.
Is it clear? Any doubts in this program? In the same way, you can check whether a character is vowel or not. In the same way. I'll teach you that. If it is okay, I could go for next. Your next program is check vowel or consonant. Check vowel or consonant. Okay. The same. Get the input for C. And put the condition if C equal to, when you will say it is vowel, for A, E, I, O, U, you will say all this character as vowel. So you need to give here. So C equal to first A, or you have the or condition. Here I have used for equal to operator, and here I have used for or operator. So C equal to A, I have given, E I have given. Still I need to give for I, O, U. Okay. I put for I put for O, and this is for U. Okay. For A, E, I, O, U, we have to print the message. It is a vowel. Print.
You have given double equal to.
That is a comparison operator.
Oh, comparison operator. Okay, right.
If you are giving the single equal to, it is the assign operator. If you are giving the double equal to, then it is a comparison operator.
Right. Got it.
So you have to print the message like it is a vowel. Okay, it is a vowel. So that's it. And elif. And same thing, if the user is giving in capital case, so then also it is a vowel. So put in capital. That's it. Just give the same message. It is a vowel. Okay. If other than this, it is considered as consonant. So use the else part, give colon, and give the message like this. Print. It is a consonant. It is a consonant. So that's it. Save the program and run it. Actually, it is asking for this thing. I give W. It is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Except this five letter, whatever you give, it is considered as consonant. So it is giving the message as consonant. Once again, I'll run it. If I give A, it is saying it is a vowel. Let me run it again. If I give capital O, it is saying it is a vowel. Other than this A, E, I, O, U, whatever letter you give, it will give you the message like consonant. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it clear? Can you give any thumbs up or else any messages in chat box? Is that clear? Shall we go for next? Okay. Thank you, Hema ma'am. Okay. Fine. We will go to the next program. I move to the next program. So getting the mark from the student, and we are going to assign the grade for him. So we are going to take only one input. So definitely I need a number. So I convert the input into integer. Okay. So put input. Then give the message like enter mark. Okay. So that's it. Enter mark. Okay. See, got one input. Let's check for the condition. If mark, if the mark of the student is between 85 to 100, I'm going to give the message like congrats, you scored A grade. If mark greater than equal to 85 and mark less than equal to 100, I'm going to print the message like print congrats, you scored A grade. So that's it. Your first condition is over. And use elif mark greater than equal to 60 and mark less than 85. It means it has to consider up to 84 because 85 is considered in the first if statement. And so here I'm mentioning like less than 85. So I put like less than 85 means it will consider up to 84. Keep colon, don't forget to keep colon. Click on enter. So print. So open and close. Here, give the message like you scored B plus grade. You scored B plus grade. Just click on enter and go here. elif mark greater than equal to 40 and mark less than 60. Enter. Print. Here you can give the message like you scored C grade. And finally, giving another elif message, mark less than 40. Give colon. If the student is getting less than 40, then you are giving the message like print you scored D grade. You scored D grade. Better luck next time. So that's all. Your program is over. So that's it. So I hope you understand this program. For this program, you required only one input. Okay. So I'm comparing this. I'm checking between the values. If it is 85, between 85 and 100, the student is getting the mark between 85 and 100. Then it has to give the message like, congrats, you scored A grade. Suppose your student is getting between 60 to 84, then it needs to print a message like you scored B plus grade. Suppose if the student is getting between 40 to 60, then it has to print like you scored C grade. If the student is scoring the marks less than 40, then you score D grade and it has to print the message like better luck next time. So that's it. Let us see how it works. Okay. The first I give for 89. The first condition works. Congrats, you scored for A grade. Second, I run for, I give for 84. A second if condition is working perfectly. You scored B plus grade. And here it should be 40 to 60. Okay. Let me give like 55. It is the third if condition is working perfectly. It is giving the message like you scored C grade. And once again, if you are giving any mark below 40, I give like 35 or 25. It is saying that you score D grade. Better luck next time. Is it clear? Is it clear, Ma? Could you remember what are the programs we have seen today? Any one of you? So we have started with even or odd, using if statement, using only the if statement, and the same program we executed using if else statement, the same even or odd program, and uh, we did the program which is the biggest number among three numbers. So we did the program for that using the if statement, and we did one more program to check the person age, that is whether he is eligible to vote or not. So we have done this program, and as well as we check whether the character is alphabet or not. So we used a nested if concept, and then we check for vowel or consonant. Okay, whether a character is a vowel or consonant. And then finally, at the last program, we check for the student marks and their grade. Is it clear for you? Do you have any doubts on this? Yes, ma'am, clear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in marks program, can we use in last, instead of elif, we can use else, na? We can also use else.
You can.
Yes, na?
You
But
can.
we can't give condition in that case.
You can't give condition. When if you are using else statement,
Yes.
then you can't use condition.
Okay, we directly print the message.
See, now also you can give else part, because they can give 105, they can give, because they can give any input, right? So our
Yes.
marks will be from 1 to 100. If you are
Okay.
if they are giving other than this, so you can give one message
Else.
for them, enter the number between 1 to 100, like that. In the same program you can give for else part.
Okay.
Any doubts? Practice on all this program. So whatever we have seen today, practice on all this program. Sai, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
They don't have any, I think so.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. I like to appreciate you for your excellent teaching skill. And today we have seen about uh, if else statements, nested if conditions, and various practical examples like checking for even odd numbers, determining eligibility to vote, identifying alphabets, vowels, consonants, and grading system. Thank you very much, Pam, for your patient teaching and
Thank you.
for your uh, thought-provoking session. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You
Thank
you
you so much.
explained us by step, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And one of the participant is asking, do you recommend any book for practice?
So Balaguru Swami will be better. If you are going with book author, Balaguru Swami is very better. See, in internet you are available with so many programs. I suggest not to buy any books. You can work on so many programs on internet. It is many programs are available there. You can take the help of ChatGPT. But if you are going with book, then you can choose the author for Balaguru Swami on Python. So, shall we wind up the session, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Participants can leave the meeting. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.